Okay, welcome everybody. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Steve Peters with the Premier Colorado Properties team here at Keller Williams. This is Mark Guenther with First Choice Loan Services in Denver. And we just wanted to talk a little bit today about financing and getting your mortgage set up ahead of time before we go and look for houses. So quickly, let me just kind of go a little market overview on what we're seeing today. Right now, we have average home sales up 10% year over year from last year. We have the average days on market are ranging anywhere from 1 week to 1 month, depending on where you're looking in the market around the Denver area. And inventory is at historic lows. So right now the supply is only 1 week to maybe 1 month, depending on the area of town that we're looking in. And so we have plenty of buyers, but not a whole lot of inventory. So when it comes to the buyers, we get a lot of questions, the same questions all the time. So I thought it'd be great to put together a video and kind of just cover a few of those things so that we can discuss them now ahead of time. So the first one is always, what are today's rates? So Mark can help us out with that. Where are we at today?
Well, thank you, Steve. Today's rates, if you're looking at a 30-year fix, you're going to be in the low 4s to the mid 4s. And of course, a 15-year fix is going to be a little bit lower. It's going to be in the mid 3s, let's say. There's also other available products such as an adjustable rate mortgage, which is an ARM. And those go even lower because the fixed rate is shorter, but it's on a longer schedule. So you're going to be looking at the mid 3s on a 30-year amortization for that.
Wow, it's 3 and 4%. That is just some seriously low interest rates.
In fact, we're still in a 40-year low right now for our entire market.
Excellent. Okay, well, the next thing we always get is people ask me, do I need to be pre-qualified or do I need a pre-approval?
Good question. A pre-qualification is just a conversation I have with people over the phone. I ask them their 2 years of residential history and their 2 years of work history. And I also talk to them about their credit and their credit report, which we pull. A pre-qualification is a step further, where I actually ask for those documents to verify your income, verify your assets, and also verify your work. Then all you need to do is go shopping with Steve for a house, and then when it comes to finding the house, we'll get you qualified.
All right, excellent. Now the next thing is people want to know, well, how much do I need for a down payment? Am I going to need 20%, 5%? Is it a fixed amount of money?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe you could tell us a little bit more on that.
That's a great question again, Steve. I get that all the time. Depending on, the loan program is going to depend on how much you can put down on a house. Now, there are programs out there that allow 3.5%. Okay, those are more so government programs, FHA programs. And then there's conventional loan programs, which will require you to put down 5%.
Okay.
All right. Now, but let's say if you go into the jumbo market, you're going to be looking at putting it down anywhere from 10 to 20% on a loan.
Excellent. And the 20% number that people always bring up, that's the save from having to pay mortgage insurance, correct?
That is exactly right. Yep. Mortgage insurance is a risk on the bank. So in other words, anything, if you don't have a 20% down payment, anything less than that, you are going to get mortgage insurance. And it is dependent upon your credit score and your down payment.
Okay. Now, does First Choice Lending, do you guys specialize in any certain area of the market?
Oh, I'm glad you asked. Our big specialty is jumbo loans, actually.
Okay.
Because of Colorado, there's a lot of great homes here. There's a lot of open air. And right now is the time to buy low and sell high. So we are looking at jumbo loans. And also, one of the things that I would say we specialize in is our service. You're going to get a top-rated service. We have in-house underwriting. You're going to have a conversation not only with me, but the other folks that are working on with your loan, just to make sure that the process goes through fluidly.
All right, excellent. Okay, well, I hope this covered some of the questions that you generally might have when it comes to getting your financing in place. And I thank you for being here with us today. I thank you, Mark, for being here and talking about everything that your company has to offer. And I hope you'll join us next time.